Here we have our lush spicy vanilla cake. It's a 6 inches cake. Yes, so soft, so soft. If you like to bake a cake like this, then you are in the right place. Welcome back to Laboma Cakes, where we give quality teachings on baking and decorating that helps in your baking journey. Let's get right into it. In the bowl, we have our margarine. You can also use butter. We'll be creaming that first before we add in our sugar. This helps the cake to come out more lighter. So you cream that for some minutes before adding your sugar. Moving on to the next step, we'll be adding our eggs to this. We'll be adding our eggs into the butter and sugar mixture. I didn't add it at once. I'll be alternating it with the flour. So I added little egg. Then I'll go in with the flour. I added half of the flour to it. Then I'll be adding in the remaining parts of the egg, as you've seen in the video. I'll be doing that. The flour will be the last thing to add. That is it. I added the last part of the egg. And you continue mixing. I don't want to over mix it. That's why I use my spatula to mix it. You can use your mixer, but let it be on low speed because we've added the flour to it and we don't want it to get toughened. This recipe will not use milk, but I assure you it will come out so fluffy. It's a spiced vanilla cake, so we'll be adding some spices to it. I added nutmeg and I'll be adding cinnamon also. Have you tried that in your cake? It makes it so delicious. It makes it lively. You can also try that. So I added the baking powder to it and I sifted it into the batter. So you do that carefully. You continue mixing until the batter is slush. You can see that coming out slush. So I use the mixer to just mix for some seconds, just to distribute all the ingredients evenly. With that, we'll be going on into the next step. You prepare your pans. With that, we'll be going on into the next step. I've rubbed some butter into the pan. Then you dust in with some flour. You do that so that your cake can come out from the pan. It won't stick to the pan. You can also use a baking paper to line the pan. You can see how lush the batter is. So lush. And I assure you it tastes good also. So please feel free to try this also and let me know the outcome. We'll be baking that and I'll be back to show you the outcome. Don't go anywhere. You are in the right place. Please don't forget to like and click the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video. You won't regret it. These cakes are good, I assure you. Now our cake is out of the oven. You can see that still so lush. I'll be turning out that. Make sure you turn out your cake from the pan. Don't leave it in. It will get stuck to it later. Yes, you can see how soft it is. You can feel it, how soft it is. Yes, that is it. So one secret to this is that it does not contain milk. You return it back into the pan before it is cooled. Like you remove it from the pan like 2 or 3 minutes for just 2 minutes. Then you return it back into the pan and then you cover up with a foil paper. You cover it up with a foil paper while it's still hot. That it will add that will add additional moisture to the cake. You do that and let the cake cool off with the foil paper on. So you do that and let the cake cool off with the foil paper on. By the time the cake cools, you see that the cake is softer. It's softer. It won't get spoiled. No, I've tried that over and over again. It won't get spoiled. Just as soon as the cake is out of the oven, bring it out. Let the first heat escape. For after like 2 minutes, return it back into the pan and cover it up with a foil paper and let it cool completely. You will see the difference in it. We are doing that because this cake does not contain milk and it tends to dry out if you leave it on the table. So don't leave it out on the table. Cover it up and you see after like this is the following day the cake is so soft and good. You can also see how I'm pressing it. So delicious and good. So please try yours and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and share to anyone that needs it. Please try yours and let me know how it turned out. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.